When it comes to customer success, I'm 100% invested in that. Because without our customers and without their success, we cannot be successful as a dealer.
The Western States team has always been a phone call away or an email away with any technology or VisionLink questions. The extensive team is there to support and answer any questions, walk through any setups. If things are not reporting right, they send a service tech out and get things working. They're there long after the initial sale and maximizing the efficiency and the productivity of the equipment.
From a VisionLink perspective in supporting Anthony through that path, what we've taken the approach of is understanding Anthony's business processes, what challenges he has from a fleet management and equipment management perspective, as well as also understanding his journey on the fleet management curve or equipment management curve and identifying where he's at in his goals and objectives, and then working backwards with the data and information we're collecting in VisionLink to apply it to his business processes.
It's a true partnership with Western States. It's a shared passion of the industry, and they're not just trying to sell a piece of equipment, and they truly care about our business and what it takes for us to be profitable. If we're profitable, that means we're buying more equipment, and it's a win-win situation.